Good morning students. Now we are going to see about lesson 2 physical features of Tamil Nadu. Subject Social Science Standard 4. In this lesson we are going to learn about the physical features of Tamil Nadu. Locate mountain, plateau, plain and coastal regions in Tamil Nadu. Describe the features of mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Explain the types of forest found in Tamil Nadu. Physical features of Tamil Nadu. Landscape of Tamil Nadu. The landscape of Tamil Nadu can be divided into 4 categories, namely mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Mountains. Tamil Nadu is the only state in India which has both the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. They meet at the Nilagiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Tottapetta is the highest peak in Nilagiri Hills. Tamil Nadu has various hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Kothagiri and Yerkad. The Eastern Ghats do not get enough rainfall, unlike the Western Ghats which receives lot of rainfall. The plantations grown in these Ghats include tea, coffee and spices. Tamil Nadu has rich flora and fauna. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park in Anaimalai are in the western Ghats of the state. The Kurunji shrub is the most special which blossom once in 12 years. Next one, plateaus. There are 3 plateaus in Tamil Nadu, namely Paramahal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. There are many small hills between these plateaus. Chennimalai is one among these hills in Erode. Next one, plains. Plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. River plains, rivers Palar, Seyyar, Pennar and Vellar from the northern plains. The middle river plain is formed by Kaveri and it is tributaries river Vaigai and Tamirabarani form the southern plains. River Seyyar is a tributary of river Palar. It is a seasonal river that flows through the district of Tiruvannamalai. Next one, coastal plains. Coastal plains of Tamil Nadu are also called Cholamandalam plains, which extend from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Next one, coast. Tamil Nadu has the 3rd longest coastline in India. The coastal region extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Pamban Island forms a part of Ramanathapuram. It separates Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. 13 districts share the coastline. Pamban Bridge in Rameswaram is India's first sea bridge opened in the year 1914. The notable beaches of Tamil Nadu are Marina Beach, the 2nd longest urban beach in the world. Rameswaram Beach is famous for its beautiful view. Kanyakumari Beach is famous for its beautiful views of sunrise and sunset over the water. Rooks are steep rocks. Rock Fort is a famous roof in Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. Now we learn about try to answer. First one, where do the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet? Answer, the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at the Nilagiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Second one, name any two wildlife sanctuaries in the Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Answer, first one Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, second one Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary. Third one, name some important rivers in Tamil Nadu. Answer, Palar, Seyyar, Kaveri, Vaigai and Thamirabarani. Fourth one, where is Kuttalam Waterfalls located? Answer, Kuttalam Waterfalls located in Tenkasi. Fifth one, during which month does the state receive rainfall from southwest monsoon? Answer, June to September. Sixth one, describe the weather of Tamil Nadu in a sentence. Answer, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather almost throughout the year. Thank you.